Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving into a fascinating post by Alexander Mikhailian about what he calls forgotten software engineering principles. It's a cautionary tale, really, about an organization's migration from WebLogic to Kubernetes and the resulting challenges.
Yeah, I saw that post. It's a compelling read. The core issue seems to be a loss of understanding of fundamental distributed systems concepts during their migration, right? Or instead, they moved to a new architecture without fully grasping the implications.
Exactly. They went from a WebLogic setup with built-in distributed transaction support, 2 servers, ensuring data consistency, to Kubernetes, keeping the 2-instance model but losing the crucial transactional guarantees. They essentially forgot why the old system worked so well. The resulting race conditions are being manually patched with reboots.
That's insane. So they replaced EJB with Spring Boot, introducing more application-level state without a mechanism to synchronize it across instances. A classic case of moving fast and breaking things, but without the fixing things part, it seems.
Precisely. And it gets worse. Their decision to ditch session cookies in favor of JWTs, ostensibly for GDPR compliance or API gateway integration, created a whole new set of problems. They now have CRS issues, difficulties downloading files, and a completely broken single sign-on experience.
The JWT approach, while generally secure, seems poorly implemented here. Passing JWTs in the authorization header instead of a session cookie is a major oversight. It forces reauthentication for every single-page application transition, defeating the purpose of SSO. This is a textbook example of how a seemingly simple architectural choice can have far-reaching negative consequences.
Absolutely. The author highlights the complexities of downloading files. A simple GET request becomes a convoluted multi-part /form-data response because they forgot about content disposition headers. And the user experience? Awful. Screen readers are barely usable. It's a complete mess.
Nekti, it's a really striking example of how neglecting fundamental principles can lead to such a cascade of problems. It makes you wonder about the engineering leadership, as the author points out. Was it a lack of competition, complacency, or something more systemic?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? The author suggests a failure of engineering leadership, perhaps a lack of a strong deontological code of conduct within the organization. It's a sobering thought. The HN comments suggest a simple fix for the cookie problem, using JWT's in-session cookies, but that's just a band-aid on a much deeper wound.
I see. It's not just about technical skills, it's about understanding the why behind established best practices. This case study is a powerful reminder of the importance of solid engineering principles and thoughtful architectural decisions. It's a cautionary tale for us all.
Indeed. A great reminder to always consider the broader implications of architectural choices and to never forget the fundamentals. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you found this discussion insightful. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.